Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for all the info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. We're going to be looking at the dry deck spackling, and this time it's pink. More on that right after this. Okay, one about survival on a budget made easy. Like I said, we're looking at the dry deck spackling. And yeah, it is pink. As you can see, I already put some on. And it does dry white, so you know when you can reapply or sand it. It took a few hours. When I say a few, I might say maybe between 4 and 8. That's going to vary on how much you use. But it doesn't seem watered down or anything. It just seems like it works like normal spackling. I'll have a link to it down in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. It does make the job a lot easier. There's no guesswork. Okay, I'm going to give this a solid 5 out of 5. It does what it says it's going to do. It applies, it works. So a solid 5 out of 5. I'll have a link to it down in the description box. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.